Hi guys, so today we're going to be looking at fractional indices. So firstly, I just want to make sure we know some base skills. So for example, a to the power of x times a to the power of y is the same as a to the power of x plus y. So you need to know that. And a to the power of x over a to the power of y is the same as a to the power of x minus y. So they're two base skills you'll need to use throughout indices and fractional indices. So the first thing we've got to do is go through the laws. So the first law is if you have a to the m over n, that is the same as brackets square root, or not the nth root of a to the power of m. Now if you have a to the minus m over n, that is the same as 1 over the nth root of a to the power of m. So they are the two rules you'll need to know throughout the practices we're going to do now. So let's try 8 to the power of 3 over 2. So that means that is the square root of 8 to the power of 3. So the square root of 8 is the same as, so you do SIRS, I think, so square root of 8, I think, is 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 cubed is the same as 2 cubed, which is 8 times, so 2 to the power of 3 times by root 2 cubed, which is the same as 8 times 2 root 2, which is 16 root 2. Okay, so another example might be 3 to the power of minus 2 over 3. So that is the same as the cube root, so 1 over the cube root of 3 to the power of 2. And then you can just leave that as this. That's your final answer. Please like and subscribe, new videos weekly.